guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another YouTube video. If you don't know who I am Isabel, aka Latina X Baby, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. But basically this time is a bit different, as you can tell, because we're already glammed up today. This again is the ColourPop palette, but this is something new and I'm super excited to talk about because okay, so I am going to be unboxing my JEFFREE Star package today. I'm trying not to show like the front of it because my address is on there. We're unboxing my JEFFREE Star package today. I'm super excited, and that is what I'm currently wearing on my lips. So as you can tell, it's not that exciting. Like, I already opened it, and I opened it because Instagram was actually the first ones to see me opening it, but I closed it back up again because I want like the full effect of me opening it on my YouTube channel. Right now I literally have Heartless by The Weeknd playing. Y'all, if you haven't listened to that song, you need to hop on that right now. I'm just gonna say something real quick about that song. When I heard that song, I'm like, yes, this was me 3 years ago, woo. And then when I watched the video though, it was so sad and like heartbreaking to see how he was in the video. And I know it's not real, but to some extent when someone imagines their video, especially an artist, to some extent it is real, or how they've been feeling. So to me, when I saw that video, it made me very sad, and he just needs a hug, man. Speaking of hugs and love, oh, y'all, Juice WRLD. Y'all, he was my motherfucking shit. Like, oh, y'all, when I found out, what was it, yesterday, that he passed away, my heart broke, dude. Like, it's super like, oh, y'all, I think the reason I was really like just getting shook when I heard about the news is because, you know, I heard him 3 years ago, or 2.5 years ago, for the first time, and it was the song, what's his song, na 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 na. Why am I blanking on what the song is called? Anyways, that was the first time I ever heard his music, and it was right when I was going through a breakup. Well, it was when I was dealing with a breakup, and y'all, I resonated with that song so much. Like, that was my shit. And you know, he released that song at a time when I like needed it the most, and so he really helped me get through my breakup. Like, his song was the shit, y'all. It was so cheesy, but his song really was. And so when I heard about his, and like every song after that, like as soon as I heard that song, I was hugged. Like, he was my favorite artist, and then like every single song that came out after that, I was hooked as well. Like, he was the shit, or you know. So rip to a young legend. It's super sad, and I'm sorry for his family and his friends and his girlfriend. It's really sad, and I hope it doesn't get easier, I would say, but I do hope things get a little bit better for them. And I'm really sorry about that. But yeah, moving on to what you guys actually came here for, which is the JEFFREE Star unboxing video. If you guys want to follow my Instagram, that is where Instagram saw first when I unboxed this, so I'll put it down below somewhere. It'll keep popping up on the screen. It was super cute when I received this. It came in a neon pink box with like his tape around the sides that have the JEFFREE Star logo. So if you open it up, it just looks like this. It came with like pink tissue paper, so it's like super aesthetically pleasing. And see, as you can tell, already ripped. But let's just pretend like it, let's pretend like it was closed and it wasn't ripped open. So this is what it looks like, and then it even comes with like a JEFFREE Star sticker and tissue paper. So I opened that up, and then more, what's it called? bubble wrap, and then that's what it looks like in the packaging. So I'm gonna take it out. But this is what it looks like. Super cute, really cute packaging. It's a pretty good size. Literally fit exactly in this box. So I would like to say that Jeffree Star doesn't like to waste space, because I hate it when you get a package from Amazon or Ulta or pretty much anywhere else and they put just a couple little items in this humongous box, and I'm like, dude, like such a waste of trees, money, and space. Like, this is what it looks like. It's just like different shades of nude colors. Super cute. It says Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and then it's like iridescent, and then on the top right here it says volume 2. I think it is backwards. I'm trying to see if I can, like, no, I can't really. And then you turn it over here and it says open here for nudes, and so this is like a flip top thing, you see, like that. It flips open, but I thought that was really cute, little nice touch. And then you open it up, opening it up. Oh, so freaking cute. It's so gorgeous. But again, with the top, iridescent top, and it's a really good box. Like, I'm for sure not gonna get rid of it. This is a magnet right here. Like, even after the lipsticks run out, I'm gonna keep this box because it's really good quality. Like, you are paying for, I guess, mostly the packaging. But this is, and I just want to put it out there, like, this is the first time that I have ever bought something from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I've been always a little bit, not scared, but, or what's the word, I don't know, like, I didn't want to because, like, his stuff's kind of expensive and your girl was too impatient to save money. But this time I got this set, I think for $25 or $30. I forget how much exactly, but the reason I got it for that cheap is because on Black Friday Jeffree was having his sale. I was gonna get the volume 1 bundle, but sadly they were sold out, and then I saw this one and I was like, thank you, because I wanted something that I could wear every day for my first experience with Jeffree. I was gonna get the mystery box, but that shit was sold out and I was too late, so I couldn't get that. But yes, I got this instead, and I'm wearing, well, I'll show you the shades first. So we'll open it up. Okay, so I'll go down, oh, I keep hitting myself. I'll go down the line, but it's super cute, and there's like another Jeffree Star logo. But the first one right here is I'm Nude, and then this one's Birthday Suit, and then this one's Top Shelf, and then this one's Christmas Cookie, this one is Nathan, this one's Dominatrix, and then this one's Family Jewels, and the last one is Tasty. So they're all super cute. I'll go in closer. I actually thought that they were going to be a bit bigger. I'm not disappointed. Well, I'm disappointed because I want some more. But I'm not disappointed because I wanted, like, the first thing that I got from Jeffree, like, not to be too big and then I never use it, but also be wearable colors that I always use. But also, I want it to be where I get a little bit, like, a little taste of everything. So if I, like if I just had gotten the highlight, that was all I got, you know. And then this way, let's say I don't like this color but I like the rest, I can go back online and just repurchase either the same bundle, which probably I won't do that, but get the full size of the certain colors that I like. Now the one that I'm wearing right now, if you can see, is I'm wearing a brown liner, and then I applied the shade Nathan, which is this one right here. I'll take it out and I'll show you the size comparison next to the palm of my hand. Well, my hands are pretty tiny, but this is like next to my hand. So as you can see, my hands are already pretty tiny. So next to this, you imagine like this is super tiny. So this is in the palm of my hand. It's fits nicely in the middle of my hand, but they're super cute. But this is the shade that I went in with. I went in with the shade, I'm trying to see if I can hold it properly, the shade Nathan. So yeah, that was the shade that I went in with. Now, I told you guys I do swatches. I'm not going to do very big ones because it comes with such a little amount. I don't want to waste it because I do want to use it on my lips. So what I'm going to do is, let me think, I'll swatch them on my arm, and then I guess I'll do, should I do my hand like Jeffree does? Okay, should I do a hand? I'll do a hand. So the first one I'm going to go in with is the one all the way at the end, and this one is in the shade Tasty. So it just looks like this. I'll bring it a little closer. It's a pretty dark brown, super cute, especially for the fall. So I'm going to take it out. Oh, I don't want to waste, girl. I'm wiping off as much as I can, and then it looks actually darker in person than on camera. It looks a little bit lighter. But we'll go in with the first shade. I'm not gonna use a lot because I do want to save them for later. So that is the first shade. Super cute. Super cute shade. I can't wait to use it. It almost reminds me of a, I don't know why, a concealer color. Super cute. And then the next shade I'm gonna go in with is Family Jewels. It just looks like this. It's more of like a pinkish nude. Super cute. And then I'm gonna do the same thing again. That is Family Jewels. Yeah, Family Jewels. The next one I'm going in with is Dominatrix. It is a lot darker than the first brown, but it's more of like a reddish brown compared to the other one. I feel like it's more of like a yellow greenish brown. You'll see it next to each other, but I'll put it right here. So I'll show you on the camera. It looks more of like a reddish brown. Can you guys see the comparison between these two? So that you do get your like different shades. And then I'm not gonna swatch Nathan because you guys see it on my lips. I'm gonna just go into the next one, and the next one is Christmas Cookie. This one's more of a lighter pink nude. You guys will see. This is this color. I just keep getting smaller and smaller. It's a lot more pink than the other one. And then the next one is Top Shelf. And this one, you might think it looks similar to Dominatrix. And I would say that it's very similar to, but it's a slightly darker. So you'll see when I swatch it. So Dominatrix is this one, and then this is Top Shelf, or yeah, Top Shelf. So as you can see, Dominatrix is darker than Top Shelf. Now the next one I'm going in with, the last two shades are the lightest out of everything, super light, and this one is in Birthday Suit. So it's just a lighter version of the pink, which I don't know if I'm ever gonna use, but I'll swatch it. So it just looks like that. See, it's super pink, not a color that I would normally dip into because I have tried dipping into them and I just can't make them work. And then the next one is the lightest shade of all, super nude, which I actually might use this one the most, I feel like. And Nathan was like, where should I swatch this one? I'll swatch it right under. Yo, this one's so light, dude. Okay. Can you see it? It's literally right there. It is so light. Like, definitely the lightest out of all of them. So those are all the swatches. They're not the type, like, the one that I have on my lip right now, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I ate like 20 minutes ago before I started the video, and the lipstick stayed on pretty well. Now, if I were to go like this, the lipstick I would say would come off. But when I ate, it stayed on pretty well, and right now it's not done drying, but I feel like if you let it dry, that the lipstick stays on pretty well, but it will smudge. Like if you were to accidentally get hit, I would say, or something, it would smudge a little bit, but I really don't have an issue. The fact that it stayed on when I was eating, I mean, can you guys see, like, it stayed on pretty well. So I ain't mad at this. I ain't mad at it. And I hope one day to achieve, I guess, getting PR from Jeffree. One day. One day it's gonna happen, y'all. But yes, I enjoy watching Jeffree all the time. And yeah, I'm so excited that I was finally able to afford something from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I for sure am going to buy more stuff, and I hope one time that I can get like a mystery box or something. But it sucks that when you sell something, a lot of people rack up the prices and they like sell it on eBay, so that really sucks. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. It did, when it was shipped, it did take a little bit of a while, which is the only thing that sucked, but was super happy when it came. I mean, I was a little bit sad when everything was like out of like freaking, it looked like it was thrown in there, but I'm sure it wasn't his fault. It was like, you know, shipping and all that. I mean, so I'm not gonna take it to heart. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see me, you know, reviewing and unboxing other makeup products, I will gladly do it. Just leave a comment down below, or, you know, give this video a thumbs up. I will gladly do it. I love unboxing and reviewing makeup. That's like one of my favorite things to do. I also love doing makeup, and that's why I did this look today. Super cute, super fresh, super new. It was super simple and it's very like very much a soft glam, which is really cute. But yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And again, like I say in every video, I will have videos up on the top and like little thing popping up to watch other videos, so please go check on those other videos too if you want to see more content from me. And it'd be greatly much appreciated if you guys would subscribe, y'all. Like, it would mean so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video.